Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you which fuse to check in case your daytime running lights are not working. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. I also want to add before I show you the fuse, this video also mostly applies to Canadian models probably because daytime running lights are a must in most of Canadian provinces. The fuse to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the glove box. So it's gonna be just behind this cover, so you have to lower it down by pulling on this small handle. Just like this, and then you will see the fuse box all the way back there. So I will zoom in and I will try to turn on the flash so you can see it a bit better. Okay, and the fuse you want to check, it's kind of hard to record down here, it's hard to reach, will be this third fuse from the bottom here. So this red 10 amp fuse. I will try to zoom in as well so you can see it better. Okay, so left column, third fuse from the bottom, red 10 amp fuse. So these are your daytime running lights, this one right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.